What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. Let's talk about XRP. I think we need to switch it up because we've had two videos talking about Terra Luna Classic and, movement that we've seen there and the overall proposals and burn taxes and conversations of that nature. We've had a lot of conversations around that. And while those conversations are still happening, let's talk about XRP. If you don't see, I got on the new XR Profit shirt. If you guys want to check this out, I will provide the link down below or one of the links for my merch store. You'll be able to see the XR Profits shirt down there. Also the hoodie that we have there. So feel free to go ahead and check those out and get yourself one of these or a hoodie or a t-shirt if you guys want to. But let's talk about XRP in this video. Like I said, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. If you guys want to start trading with Margex with up to 50x leverage, you can start trading with Margex here. And you can see here, I could have 50x leverage if I want to. If I see the overall push, we are seeing the market that's starting to make more of a positive move, a positive spin. And you could short, you could sell, you could do everything that you want, and you could do it at 50x leverage for XRP and up to 100x leverage with Bitcoin or Ethereum. So feel free to go over and check that out. The link will be in the description. But when we think about XRP, there's a lot of conversation surrounding what it will be eventually, where it will go, and the ultimate price, right? Can it hit $10,000? Can it hit $1,000? Not just get to a stable form where it's a $1 trillion market cap, which we all believe can get to that point. It's just whether it can go a lot further of like a 2 trillion, 3 trillion, 10 trillion, 20 trillion, all of those levels there. And a lot of people get stuck because they're like, it's not going to pass Bitcoin. But I think a lot of people will agree with me that Bitcoin really doesn't have any type of major use case or usable use case there. Being a store of value is a whole different situation, but being the world currency while you're in that form just doesn't make sense. Transactions per second, it's not something where we will use for standard currency. So when we look at something like XRP that's fast, that could do a ton of transactions per second, that has banking institutions that are already kind of like foaming at the mouth or salivating, right? They're ready to get on this position and have this position do what it's supposed to do in a digital space, in a digital era. So with that being said, XRP really does, sit in a good spot. So let's go through an article. This article was from 3 years ago. It was from Forbes 3 years ago, and it was, I guess, written 3 years ago. We're looking at Ripple XRP may hit $10,000 according to a $1 billion forecast posted on Forbes. And I always like to look at this because it gives me a sense of how people felt about it, and they still feel about it today, which is honestly amazing to see. American bettor Steve Wynn believes that the price of Ripple XRP can go as high as $10,000 on the market. According to an interview with the Forbes Billionaire, altcoin will take on an important role in money transfer. The blackjack player prediction for the cryptocurrency reflects a long-term investment strategy. According to Wynn, the XRP will be considered an international currency. The famous player explains that the altcoin project may be responsible for such an assessment. Ripple investor Steve Wynn expects altcoins to appreciate in the coming years, but he has no target price to sell. In the interview, the billionaire stated that he also invests in other cryptocurrencies in addition to XRP. However, it is the XRP that can be used as international remittance transfer system, according to the player. Wynn predicts that a large adoption of the cryptocurrency will cause the price to be $10,000 in the market. Long-term Ripple price forecast. Ripple can unquestionably perform well in the market if Steve Wynn's prediction comes true. The billionaire gamer predicts that the cryptocurrency will trade at $10,000 in the coming year. To explain the forecast, Wynn says that XRP represents an important value transfer system that can be adopted on a massive scale. This huge adoption would push Ripple's price to 5 digits. It was designed to have value of $10,000 per coin, if it this would assume that all retail transactions and international currency transfer use XRP. The billionaire's long-term bet on the price of XRP is related to Ripple's technology that can be used as a means of payment and transfer of value. Banks such as Santander already use this technology to complete international money remittance transactions. The Ripple system can be cheaper, safer, faster than conventional means of sending money between different countries. XRP is designed to be an instant fund transfer application. It is trying to take over the retail transactions and fast international money transfers. XRP hodl for 5 years. Billionaire Steve Wynn has declared himself as an investor in the market for XRP and is betting on the long-term appreciation of altcoin. According to him, this cryptocurrency could be worth $10,000 without sizing the deal or ideal time for Ripple appreciation. Wynn explains that this strategy to save or hodl his cryptocurrencies by holding the balance for the short period, the investor can make a significant profit from the altcoin's price rise. At least 5 years when I bought the coins, I did it for the long term. As the price increases, I make profit at certain times, but I don't have a target price to sell everything. Considering the current XRP market price on Tuesday, which was at 19 cents, the forecast of $10,000 on Forbes would represent a accumulation appreciation of over 5 million% for the altcoin. So this wasn't something that was right now, right? Only right now. It's something that has happened and has been in the conversation for a long time, obviously before the bear market really happened. But as you see, now you have more banking institutions that are included in Ripple, like PNC, or international banks. Like you're looking at, banks that are not, part of the US as well, that are also a part of that. So you're looking at more pieces of the pie where you're including cross-border transactions in it as well. So XRP definitely has the potential to do so. It's just whether the banks are going to adopt that or implement that within their connection with Ripple. If Ripple offers that option that's faster, that's secure, that's better, that's cheaper than the option that they're already, doing, or any option that they create, which most likely will be the case, XRP will run to ridiculously high levels that couldn't be kind of imagined by the normal person because you're looking at the market cap. But honestly, it could be worth so much more. And this was created 3 years ago, but still stands strong today in 2023. So that's how you can tell that, the community is still on the same page because we still understand what this could be. And some people believe that we're setting the bar low by saying $10,000. Now, for me, I still have, some form of skepticism within the whole thing because, you're looking at multiple trillions or tens of trillions of dollars, but I still will hold some for that time period, right? Because if it does get to $10,000 and I'm holding 100, you know what that's worth, or I'm holding 1,000, you know what that's worth. So we will find a way to hold on to a lot during that time period, but also be able to profit in the short term to make you feel a little bit better about what you are holding. So again, guys, if you want to, learn more about XRP, there's a lot about XRP that you can read up on and see what they're doing. But I post a lot about XRP and a lot about the price value and what they're doing. If they have any big news, if you have any situation with the settlement when it comes to Ripple versus the SEC, we can talk about that as well. But yeah, make sure you guys hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out any of the links that are down below. It does help out the channel. Again, if you want to check out the new XR Profit shirt, feel free to check this out. The link should be down there somewhere, or you should see a picture of the XR Profit shirts or hoodies. Just make sure you wash it though, because it does smell like glue as it does come to you. So make sure you wash it right when you get it, and you'll automatically get all the wrinkles out and stuff like that. But it is a great shirt. I like the quality, and I'm not just saying that because it's my shirt, it's my merch, but I like it, right? You got to like it too. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.